Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for future videos. Thank you.
Hey, what's up guys? Houston here. And for those of you just finding my YouTube channel, welcome. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and that bell. Now, today's video, we're going to be talking about personal loans to start your business. And these are bad credit personal loans. So what that means is that the interest rate is going to be high, but at the same time, it may give you that option to at least start your business, okay? And so before we dive into that, I just want to share something with you that I thought was funny to me, and I hope that you can get it, so enjoy. All right, so this guy, he's walking down the street, and he sees this man sitting on the corner, and he runs over to him and he says, "Hey, aren't you the pastor?" And the guy looks at it and says, yeah, right? And so he was like, "What are you doing sitting out here?" And this foul smell and everything. And the pastor said, "I'm an heirloom." And so the guy, he's pushed him again. He said, "Okay, what happened? How are you drunk sitting on the corner? You're a pastor. What do you mean you're an heirloom?" So the guy said, "I'm an heirloom." And the guy sat down beside him. He said, "Okay, I need you to explain this to me. What do you mean by you an heirloom?" He said, "Well, what happened is that my wife caught me in the bed with her sister. And when she caught me, I jumped up and told her I was an heirloom." And he said, "What? Why would you tell her you're an heirloom?" He said, "Because I like to keep it in the family." So enjoy that joke. I hope you all have fun with it. So back to talking about personal loans for a startup, okay? Here's some things that you have to understand. When you talk about personal loans with bad credit for a startup, again, like I said, you're going to have high interest rates. So having high interest rates is one of the things. But another thing is because these are personal loans, they already know you have bad credit. So they're not going to put a hard inquiry on your credit, okay? They may do a soft pull. And so what that means is that when you hear companies say we don't do a credit check, actually they do. They use third parties, okay, to do it, all right? And so that means they'll do a soft inquiry instead of a hard inquiry. Now, some of these here companies, once you decide to accept the loan, they may do a hard inquiry, but not while you're just trying to see if you qualify, okay? And so here's one of the ones, one of the personal loans, and this is personal loans, personalloans.com. Okay, and don't worry, I'll put a link below so you can check these lenders out yourself. And again, like I said, it's not about your personal credit because they already know you have bad personal credit, but what they will do is an inquiry and stuff. Now, here's a few things that you do need to understand about these type of loans, okay? If you're getting denied, it's because of your 50% DTI. So you have over a 50% debt to income ratio. All right. So that being said, if you get denied for these type of loans, more likely it's because of your high debt to income ratio or your income, okay? Because with most of these loans, you have to be making at least $1,000 after tax. And understand that some of these loans, they will accept unemployment benefits, okay? So if you're receiving unemployment benefits, they will accept you. Now, one thing you have to understand about this also, if you're military, they probably won't help you because of that federal law about offering high-risk loans to military, all right? So that's something you have to keep in mind. But moving forward, personal loans, they offer up to $35,000, okay? Now, another one is advance loans, okay? And they offer up to $35,000, okay? Now, you have a Cash USA. As I said, I'll put the links below, but Cash USA, they offer up to $10,000, okay? And then you have bad credit loans. Okay, sorry about that. They offer up to 10K. Now here's one, and for whatever the reason, I don't know why, but they have a higher conversion, meaning that you have a higher chance to be approved with them, and it's Indy. Now, Indy, like most of these, they're a platform that shops your loan around, but for whatever reason, a lot of people have more success with Indy loans, all right? And I don't know whether it's because of the amount, because they only go up to 5,000, okay? But again, that's the situation. Now, here's something that I want to share with you. If you don't want to deal with these high interest lenders here's another one. I want you all to keep this in mind, okay? And this is your community bank, okay? So your community bank, all right, they usually work with people that have challenging credit and stuff. And granted, they may offer you smaller loans. At the same time, building a relationship with them will definitely get the ball rolling so that you're able to get more loans. Not only just loans, but some of these community, they offer you like with credit cards, and some of them offer business credit cards as well. So that's something that you can definitely keep in mind. Now here's one. I want you all to really pay attention to this. This is your community development financial institute, okay? And the reason you want to pay attention to them is because they're there to help minority-owned businesses. Not saying that other nationalities are eliminated, but their sole focus is to help minority-owned businesses. Okay, and what's happening once they pass that 1.9 trillion stimulus? Well, 25 billion. Okay, 25 billion is going to go to lenders like the development to help minority-owned businesses, and then I think it's another 5 billion that's going to be going to grants also. All right, and so that's the reason I say if you're going to be starting your business, you should set the business up properly, open up your business bank account, even start making weekly deposits to start the activity, because not only does this help build the business credit, but you're actually building a relationship with the financial institution. So that's the reason that I tell you all to do this. If you have questions about setting up your business, choosing the right business for your business model, the right business structure for your business model, then check us out at by clicking the link below at Three-Way Funding. So this is Houston with Three-Way Funding. Again, the joke I told, I hope it don't offend any of you all. I just thought it was funny, and I just wanted to share a little humor with you. So this is Houston with Three-Way Funding. Don't forget to click the link below to set up a consultation if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.